Hello, my name is Gaurav Singh, and today I am going to tell about sequence diagram under the UML, and it comes under the behavior diagram. In sequence, we have two types of diagram, behavior and structure. In behavior, we can just I am going to tell it this sequence diagram. Now, what is the sequence? Sequence diagram. Sequence, it shows the interaction between the object. It shows the interaction between the object, as you can say this is also known as interaction diagram. Okay. And it's the message of flow goes from the left to right between the object. What is the action is performing between the objects? We can indicate the masses among the object. And we also use in the time frame. And this is this is the known as lifetime, and this is the known as activation time. It shows how the objects involved till the activation time. And here we use some notation like asynchronous and synchronous. This is my asynchronous notation. And this is my synchronous notation. Now, I come into the synchronous notation. Synchronous. Now, what is the synchronous? Synchronous means in real life when we use in internet, when a user requests from the server and the user he has to wait. User has to wait after the requesting to the server. That is called the synchronous. When the user is performing for action, or performing an action, and he has to wait, and he has to wait. That is known as synchronous. And then reverse order asynchronous. Asynchronous mode. In real life, when a user is uploading any videos in YouTube, at the same time he is writing any title, any description, it does not require any sync. User does not require sync and he does not wait for the particular action. Now I come into the sequence diagram. This is my object, object 1, object 2, object 3. Here I will use lifeline, and this is my activation time, activation box, you can say like this. Activation box or activation time. And as I told earlier, this is my synchronous, and this is asynchronous. Now see the arrow notation. When the close arrowhead, this is a synchronous, and when open arrowhead, this is the asynchronous. And here we will define the masses. In a sequence order. Means any action is performing in a sequence order, in a time order, then we define the sequence diagram. Now I will take the one example of restaurant system. In real life, when we go to any restaurant, we find the three objects: one customer, one waiter, and the kitchen. This is the main role of the in restaurant. So I have three objects. This is customer, waiter, and kitchen. Now I have to create this sequence diagram. First the customer visit to the restaurant, then he comes to the waiter, and he gives the order. See what is happening on here. This arrow is treating like something requesting from the any object. So that's why I have mentioned this arrow operator. When the solid lines goes to the This second time box, this is the requesting. Means he doesn't wait. The customer doesn't wait. And when the dashed lines I am indicating on here, it's response. So he gives the order, customer gives the order. After order, waiter goes to the kitchen and he gives the order food. After giving the order to the kitchen, in the meantime, waiter gives some water bottle to the customer. Now this is my first phase is completed. Now customer will wait for the food. Now the food is prepared and the waiter take the food from the kitchen and waiter, something wrong on here, I'll down my line. And he served the food. To the customer, and after having the food, customer will request to the waiter for the payment. That's why I am indicating on solid line. That's it. Thank you.